Hello, my name is Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot a lot of video of homes that come onto market. I'm in Lower Lunada Bay on a street called Dalton, and this is where it kind of crosses with Margate, and we're just a couple blocks off the ocean, which is right down the way. So really neat spot here, and I'm excited to show it to you. Look at this, what a neat home. And they've gone through and updated it quite a bit. We get a good ocean view. Great location. I mean, we're literally 2 blocks down to the high school right over there. And I love Lunada Bay. There's a lot of neat things about this area that I'd love to tell you. So if you're interested, give me a call.
It's beautiful.
All right, let's keep going. Nice room here. What are these floors? They're gorgeous. Are they at limestone, Joe?
I think it's limestone, but it's a stone.
It is a stone. Here's our listing agent, Joe. And look at the blue matches the ocean. You just come right out to seeing the view. Look at that.
So you get all the way to Point Doom across there.
Yeah. Sunset's out this way towards there. Nice yard. You do, no alley between these, huh? What?
The wind keeps closing this door. So
It happens. Nice big open kitchen. Look at this, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Lots of counter space. Nice cooktop here. This is great. So you got these open rooms. It's really light and bright. It's really pretty. Downstairs we have one room here. So this is that main level. Couple closets. Side access. There's a raised foundation.
Staircase up to it or something so you could access it from here, you know?
Yeah.
Here's a pantry. Really good look.
Oh, and you got the perfect
Beautiful floors. Maybe walnut. I think it's walnut. They're really gorgeous. Wow, here's a killer room. It's master. Really nice. Super clean. Nice shower. Big view. Wow, you can see some beach, El Segundo and stuff. This window's amazing. The floors are really nice, they feel good. Oh, here's another bath. Nice how they made that fit. Cool. So, great spot here. Would love to show this to you. Good value and a great neighborhood. So if you've got some questions about the area or would like to see what else is happening in Palos Verdes, give me a call. Happy to help. Thanks for watching and make it a great day.